In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts on Brevo fast. If you're using Brevo to manage your contacts and you need to export them for backups or for use in another application, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step one by one so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to export your contacts smoothly and confidently. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Brevo website. Log into your account so you can access your contact list. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Contacts section, where you'll see all the contacts you've been managing. This is where the exporting process begins. Take a moment to review your contact list and decide which contact or group of contacts you want to export. Click on the contact you want to export to open additional options related to that contact. Next, look for the More Actions button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Export. You'll now be taken to the Export Settings screen. Here, choose the specific data fields you want to include in the export, such as system data or subscription details. Make sure to double-check your selections so the exported file contains everything you need. Also, confirm that the delivery and preference settings are correct, as this determines how your exported data will be sent to you. Once everything is set, click the Start Export button. Brevo will begin processing your request, and you'll receive a confirmation email letting you know the export has started. Shortly after, you'll receive another email with a download link. Click that link to download your exported contacts. That's it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Brevo. This makes it easy to back up your data or use it in another platform whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more tutorials for helpful tips like this.